In this video, I'll show you how you can deploy your app on Emergent. So it's pretty simple. The first step is to open your project, which you want to deploy. So in my case, I have this task manager and I want to make it live. So what you can do, you can close this preview and then click on this blue button, deploy. And from here, you can start your new deployment. So each deployment costs 50 credits per month. You can also run health check. This is automated code review to catch deployment blockers before launch, and this costs 2 or 3 credits. But for now, I will just click on start deployment. So now Emergent asks us to confirm deployment, so we should preview if everything is correct. For example, I have connected Stripe to my Emergent. Emergent wants to make sure that the Stripe API key is correct and it's not going to be like a waste of credits. So make sure to check your site before deploying. So now if you are sure, deployment usually takes around 5 or 7 minutes. So if you are sure, just click on deploy now. So as you can see, it's showing deployment in progress. So it's building package, then it's going to migrate the database, export secrets, and then deploy. So we just need to wait around 5 or 7 minutes. So once everything is done, you can see it's showing me it's live. So you can click on this visit button and this will redirect you to your live app. And from here, you can start using your app. So let's say I want to create a new task. So let's say test. I can add description, priority, and create. So it should be here. So to do, test, and it's working. So now, for example, let's say you want to add your custom domain. You can also do it here. So if I click on link domain, you can add your custom domain. Or if you have some issues with your live app, you can fix it with here, fix with agent, or you can run health check again. And you can also shut down your site or redeploy. This is how you can deploy your app on Emergent. So if you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials.